Have you ever pondered what it really takes to make a woman not just like you, but want to be with you so much that she tries to get your attention? Most men believe that it is status, looks, or wealth that makes it all happen. Well, the truth is, with little changes in attitude, behavior, and communication, this magnetic attraction can happen for you. Today, I'm letting you in on 3 practical, powerful secrets that can transform your presence into something irresistibly appealing to women. And the best part? You don't need to pretend to be someone you're not or play complicated mind games. We are cutting through all that noise and showing you what works. Let me first imagine that instead of you chasing women, they start chasing you, seeking your attention, and doing everything they could to get closer to you. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to make this your reality. Secret number 1, attraction starts in the mind. The first secret to making any woman chase you is realizing that real attraction starts in her mind. It's not about how you look or what you have. It's about an emotional connection. Women value emotions and stories more than most men can imagine. They want to be captivated, intrigued, and excited by someone who sparks their imagination. So, how do you do this? The key is curiosity and mystery. Don't be predictable. When you keep her guessing, she will automatically be attracted to you and want to know more. For instance, when she asks you about your hobbies or your day, don't just give a straight answer. Be playful and intriguing. Say something like, "It was an interesting day, but I'll leave you curious for now. Maybe I'll tell you more later if you earn it." This keeps her intrigued, making her want to spend more time with you to uncover the layers of your personality. Practical tip: be discussing stories in your conversations, which can have unexpected twists or other unique details. Alternate showing interest and giving her space. The trick is to keep her engaged while holding some mystery for yourself. Remember that a human's mind is inherently attracted to the unknown. When you tap into that dynamic, she'll begin seeing you as someone unique and exciting. Secret number 2, be a man she can admire. For a woman to chase you, she needs to admire you. Admiration is the foundation of any lasting attraction. Women love men with solid values, clear goals, and passion in life. This does not mean you have to impress her with material things. Instead, focus on personal growth and self-improvement. Be someone who inspires her through your actions and dedication. For example, if you are discovering a new skill or even passion, share it with her. You could say like this, "I actually began to learn playing the guitar. It's tough at times, but I loved how it was creating for me and a new voice of expression." This also means that you are on a path to growth or self-improvement, and such traits are incredibly attractive. Practical tip: choose 3 areas of your life you want to improve. This could be professional body fitness or a hobby. Invest your time and energy in them and discuss your improvements casually. Consistency is key. If you are the man of your word, she will consider you unique and invaluable, someone she would hate to lose. Secret number 3, develop uncommon emotional experiences. The third secret is about making experiences in life that last, namely, emotional experiences. It is not the words, it is not the material, but the feeling she receives as she is with you. Plan moments that are unexpected, yet meaningful. It doesn't need to be expensive. It is about thoughtfulness and creativity. For example, instead of a regular dinner date, plan something like a picnic with her favorite snacks or exploring a new part of town together. Humor is another strong tool. Laughing together brings closeness and makes her associate you with positive emotions. Share funny stories, play, and do not be afraid to let loose. Practical tip: think of 3 unique date ideas that will allow you to connect on a deeper level. Whether it's trying a fun activity, visiting a place with a special meaning, or simply creating an environment where you can both relax and enjoy each other's company, Focus on building moments she'll cherish and remember. Putting it all together. Now that you know the 3 secrets, activating her mind, being a man she admires, and creating unique emotional experiences, it's time to put them into action. This isn't about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about highlighting the best parts of yourself and building genuine connections. Think about the impact these tips can have on your relationships. Imagine being seen as someone women admire, desire, and actively seek out. It's not just possible, it's within your reach starting today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on relationships, confidence, and personal growth. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it, and let me know in the comments which of these secrets you'll start using first. Let's grow together and build connections that truly matter. See you in the next video.